Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to add a new driver to your Tesla Model 3 using the digital key feature. This allows you to securely share access to your vehicle without physical keys. We'll cover the entire process, from initial setup to managing permissions, ensuring a smooth and secure experience. This method replaces the need for physical keys using cryptographic digital tokens stored on a smartphone or wearable device. Get ready to explore how Tesla's innovative digital key system works. Before you begin sharing a digital key, ensure the new driver has the Tesla app installed on their iPhone with iOS 14 or higher, or on an Android device with Android 9 or higher. Confirm that Bluetooth, NFC, and/or ultra-wideband are enabled on their device. Ultra-wideband is available on Tesla Model 3 models from 2021 and later. As the primary account holder, ensure your Tesla app is up to date to access the latest digital key features. A stable internet connection is required for both devices during the setup process to securely share and activate the digital key. To share a digital key, first open the Tesla app on your phone. Navigate to the Security section. Then select Digital Key. Tap on Share Key. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number associated with their Tesla account. The recipient will receive an invitation through the app. This invitation is time-sensitive, so ensure the new driver is ready to accept it. Once you receive the digital key invitation, open the Tesla app on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the notification or invitation in your messages and tap to accept it. After accepting, follow the on-screen prompts to pair your device with the Model 3. This requires holding your device close to the B-pillar area on the driver's side door frame where the NFC reader is located. For security, you may need to enter a PIN code or use biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition to complete the pairing process. Once confirmed, your device will be linked to the vehicle. Tesla's digital key system offers flexible permission levels for each shared key. You can grant full access, allowing complete control over all vehicle features and driving capabilities. For safety, you can restrict access with speed limits, such as limiting teen drivers to 80 miles per hour maximum speed. Additionally, you can set time-based restrictions, limiting when the key can be used, such as only during school hours or after dark. All these permission settings can be adjusted at any time through the Tesla app, giving you complete control over access levels. As the key holder, you have complete control over all shared digital keys for your Tesla Model 3. Through the Tesla app, you can manage these keys with full flexibility, ensuring security and convenience. You can modify permissions for any shared key, such as setting maximum speed limits for teen drivers, restricting access to certain times of day, or adjusting access levels based on the driver's needs. Additionally, you can set expiration dates for keys, making them perfect for temporary sharing situations like rentals or valet services. For security, you can revoke any digital key instantly through the app. This is crucial if a driver loses their phone or if access is no longer required, preventing any unauthorized use of your vehicle. Finally, as the owner, you'll be notified of every access attempt, giving you real-time awareness and control over who is using your Tesla Model 3. Troubleshooting common issues with Tesla's digital key system starts with addressing connectivity problems. Users in rural areas often face weak signals, so ensure both your Tesla app device and the new driver's phone have strong internet connections. If pairing fails, a simple restart can often resolve the issue. Close the Tesla app completely, restart your smartphone, then reopen the app and try pairing again. Check that NFC or UWB is enabled on the new driver's device. On Android, go to Settings, then Connected Devices, and ensure NFC is turned on. On iPhone, make sure ultra-wideband is active in Bluetooth settings. Finally, keep your Tesla software updated. Regular updates include bug fixes and improvements to the digital key system. Check for updates in the Tesla touchscreen under Software. Tesla's digital key system prioritizes security through advanced encryption and user practices. Tesla employs end-to-end encryption to secure digital keys, protecting them during transmission and storage. This advanced security method ensures that only authorized devices can access your vehicle. While Tesla provides robust encryption, maintaining good cybersecurity practices is essential. Always use strong, unique passwords for your Tesla account and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Looking ahead, the automotive industry is rapidly moving towards fully digital, app-based vehicle access systems. Tesla remains at the forefront of this transformation. Future developments may incorporate AI-driven security enhancements that detect unusual access patterns and blockchain-based keys, enabling secure sharing across different vehicle brands.